Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to open up this giant bag of goodies. My friend has a makeup room where she has a ton of skincare and makeup and just a lot of products that she let me go through, take as I please, and she popped in a couple products that I don't even know what is in there and will be a surprise to me. So I figured it'd be kind of fun to open it up with you guys. I'm sure you will hear my dog chewing in the background. She's a rawhide. I have to kind of do this because she's 6 months old, and to keep her busy, kind of have to give her something to do. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Also, hit the little bell notification button. That will notify you every time that I post a new video, so that way you can see it as soon as I post it and stay updated with my wonderful life. By the way, I got this shirt at Loft. I came home from work and I usually get like all my work clothes at Loft. If you want to see what is in my giant bag of goodies, then keep on watching. So I may have peeked a little bit in this bag beforehand because I was so excited when she came over to give it to me. I did grab these 3 products, which I did start to use. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I did start to use these. I'm going to start using these religiously because I want to kind of start a new skincare regimen and see if I can actually notice a difference. I try a lot of new moisturizers and eye creams and serums and all that, but I wanted to get a new like skincare regimen and kind of stick with it and see if I notice any type of difference in my skin. So the first product that I tried is the Algenist Genius Ultimate Anti-Aging Vitamin C Serum. I love Algenist products. I've used their face creams, I've used their eye creams, I've used their gel makeup remover, and I just love their products. I've never had any issues with them. So I figured I would try the serum. I put this on as soon as I get out of the shower. Before you moisturize or anything, you just pump a little bit of this into your hand and you put this on your face. It says after cleansing, applies to the entire face, neck, and décolleté, so right here. For optimal results, follow with your usual moisturizer. If you've ever used this, then let me know below your comments on it, your concerns. How did you like it? Did you notice any difference? After the serum, I go in with the It Secret Sauce Moisturizer. The bottle to this is just beautiful. Like, it looks so elegant, and it's like pretty heavy, but it's so beautiful that it's just been like sitting on my vanity because I feel like I don't want to stick it in my drawer. I don't know, that sounds dramatic, but I just think it's beautiful. I figured I would pair it with the Algenist, see if we notice anything. This is a thicker consistency, which I appreciate in a moisturizer. It has no strong fragrance smell or anything. It just smells like clean and refreshing. So far I've been really liking it. And then I also pair it with my Bye Bye Under Eye Cream by It Cosmetics as well. And this is supposed to be a hydrating eye cream. It smooths, brightens, and depuffs. And so far, honestly, these 3 products I've really been liking. I've been using them the last only 3 nights, I think. But I've had no issues with my skin, which lately I'm finding as I get older, I am having issues with my skin. So far, so good. Tried a new iced coffee today. It's the caramel coconut one. Banging. First off, I love the bag itself. This is an It Cosmetics bag, but it is a reusable bag, and it's just really durable, and I like it. And she gave me 2, so that's cool. I use these all the time when I grocery shop too. You know, reduce, reuse, recycle. We got 2 in here. Oh my God, it's a little one. That's so cute. I thought it was the same size. Like I said, I did peek a little bit about what is in here. Some of it I know, some of it I do not know. This one, I did know. This is the Pet Cleanse John Paul by Paul Mitchell waterless foam shampoo, and this is for my little baby. Hey, she's trying to eat the bag I just threw down. This is a thick, rich foam with an exclusive blend of botanicals, cleanse and freshens your pet's coat. So she said you can kind of use this on Stella's paws when we let her in the house, but we don't want to like bathe her, but her paws are all dirty. So I'm excited to try this because we definitely have to wipe off her paws like every time we let her out to use the bathroom because, I mean, she's a lab. She's bigger and she likes to dig, so she can get quite messy. Micro Delivery Detoxifying Oxygen Peel by Philosophy. I love Philosophy products. So I'm excited to try this. We have a step 1 and step 2. The step 1 is a detoxifying charcoal gel, and then step 2 is an oxygen foam with activated charcoal and an oxygen complex featuring barley leaf extract for dullness, congested pores, and stressed skin, which I feel like has been mine lately. So I'll definitely be trying this. I'm always looking to do like new peels and masks and stuff. I always have fun with that. And I like doing them on Ant too. And he kind of likes them too, so that's always fun. Then we have the It Confidence in a Cream. This is a moisturizer by It Cosmetics. I already know that I love this stuff. If you can ever give this a go, then definitely try it. I'm not gonna read like the packaging on all these products because there's quite a lot in here, but I do know I like this and that it's really good. Ultra Repair Cream. This is Ultra. A lot of people call Ultra. No, 2 different things, honey. So this is an intense hydration skin protectant with Fab antioxidant booster. I do like, this is by First Aid Beauty, and I do like the First Aid Beauty products. I use their wipes, these wipes here, the facial ones, and I really, really like these. These are little pads that if you have dry skin, like dry patches on your face, especially if you break out easily, those are amazing to use and they will not irritate your skin. I used them when I worked at Ulta on a girl who I wish I took a before and after picture. I mean, I had to go through a couple pads on her, but her skin was so inflamed and patchy, and I used a couple of them on her and it just like wiped it right away. It was amazing, and it didn't burn her at all. It's great for sensitive skin. But anyway, getting sidetracked here. This is the hydrating moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Now we have Philosophy Time in a Bottle, and I have never tried this, but I've obviously seen it working at Ulta before. It comes with this little serum, and in order to activate it, you have to pour this into it, and that'll activate everything, and then you can use it. So it is a serum. So since I am trying this one right now, I'm gonna wait on this. Plus, I think this one can be like kind of strong. You can use it at any age, but I feel like something like this is meant to be used for older women with older skin types. But I'll definitely try it. I know my mom couldn't use it because she has like really sensitive skin and eczema, like way worse than I do. So anything she uses on her skin definitely tends to like break her out. So if you do have a super sensitive skin, I would not try this. Then we have this mini shampoo, Chlorine Laboratories. Oh, that smells good. It's nourishing shampoo with mango butter for dry hair. This is gonna sound so silly, but I've been applying my shampoo and conditioner like closer to my scalp and like really rubbing my shampoo and conditioner in my scalp, and I feel like it's making my hair softer, more moisturized, and it's so much more like just shiny and like fluffy, and it doesn't look so dull. I don't know if it's because of the way I've been washing it or what, but I just figured I want to put that out there because I was like, you know what? I feel like when I go to the hair salon and she does my hair, it like is amazing. And I'm like, let me try and lather it like she does, and it worked. I don't know. The Uplifting Miracle Worker Eye, and this is by Philosophy. This is a Cool Lift and Firm Eye Cream. It says morning and evening, use the applicator to gently glide under the eye area, pat with fingertips until absorbed. I saw this in the store and was kind of playing around with it, and I love the applicator. I think for under the eye area, since it is such a sensitive area, I think the applicator is really, really nice because then you don't have to really worry about like pulling with your fingers or anything. This kind of gets up in there and treats your under eye area the way that it should be treated. Take a deep breath. This is an oil-free oxygenating gel cream by Philosophy, and there are 2 in here. I'm telling you, my girl hooked me up, which is a regular face moisturizer, but this does have kind of like a gel cream to it, which I love that type of consistency. I want to say that Philosophy face creams have to be probably my favorite. So she did get me the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration. Oh, it's the same thing as the little guy. Ooh, girl, this is brand new. We got the big guy and we got the little guy. So maybe I'll give this one to my mom. Then we have my all-time favorite face wash. Wow, I just blanked so bad. I use other face washes every once in a while, but I use this on the daily, pretty much like every day. It's the only face wash that I've tried that completely takes off my makeup. Like, I have to go in with like a makeup wipe and get a little bit of mascara on the bottom lash line off, but for the most part, this takes everything off. This guy, which I do already have, but she gave me an extra one. This is the Ish Beauty lip palette. I got this in my Fabfitfun box, which I will actually link the video below, but I did receive this in my Fabfitfun box for the spring box, and I do like it a lot. I leave this in my makeup kit. It has a ton of different colors in it. You can do a lot, and it's really good for if you're like traveling on the go, or if you are a makeup artist and you want to bring a kit with you. This is awesome. This cute. We got a little makeup bag here. This is a Matrix Sexy Hair. That's cute. I can always use these for traveling. We got two of these bad boys, which I already know I love this. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I did have it in the little travel guy, and because I got it as like a sample or something, and I really, really liked it, so I'm excited to try the big guy. This is gonna sound so weird, but I feel like when I try travel, like sample size mascaras, I always love them, and then when I get the big guy, it's like different, and I don't like them as much. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm the only one. Let me know if you do that. I've been running out of mascaras, so it's nice to have some ready to go. The Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. This is from the Mermaid collection. I actually do think that it is like their regular Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and they just changed the packaging for the Mermaid collection. But still, this is the cutest packaging ever. I'm such a sucker for packaging. We have the Kopari Coconut Melt. This is the ultimate multitasking moisturizer. So she was telling me a little bit about this. I've never tried this line. I've never even tried this product or anything. It feels kind of cool. Oh, it says Coconut Junkies, you're among friends. That's so cute. Directions: melt a dollop in your hands and coconut your bod from head to toe. So she was saying you could use it in your hair, you can use it on your body, like you can use it however you want. It's just a coconut like cream. It feels really, really cool, and it is organic. There's like one ingredient on here. Bye Bye Pores Primer by It Cosmetics Oil-Free Poreless Skin Perfecting Serum Primer. Oh, it's a serum primer. She's chasing her tail. Oh, I did see this online. I wanted to try this. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit on the back of my hand. There we go. Okay, so it's definitely liquidy. I should have shooken up the bottle first. It does have a little bit of that, like, I don't know how to describe the smell of it, but it kind of has that smell of like medicine, if that makes sense. It feels really good though. I definitely put too much on. Let's see if we can rub this in. Okay, so, oh, it looks good on the back of my hand. It kind of has that feeling of like silicone type primers, like the Smashbox, the original primer. It kind of has like that feeling to it. Definitely has a really weird type of feeling to it, but I mean, I'm down to try it. I'll probably try it tomorrow for work. Oil-free poreless skin perfecting serum primer. So it says apply over moisturizer or onto clean skin, either alone or underneath makeup for complexion perfection. You'll see powerful results instantly and over time. Cool, I'll try it tomorrow. Ooh, we got another mascara in here. This is the Buxom Lash Mascara. Renewed Hope in a Jar Eye Cream. So this I'm gonna be giving to my mom because she loves this stuff. Really good for sensitive skin. It's by Philosophy, which we both love the brand, and this is their eye cream from their Renewed Hope in a Jar collection. We got some exfoliant peels, which I love these. Is this a necklace? Got the jewelry? What in the hell? Ooh. What? Oh my, is this a headpiece? No. I wonder if she gave me this. She would never wear this. This is so cool. I have no clue where I'll ever wear this, but this is awesome. Ooh, maybe I'll wear it to Moonrise. Cute. This is giving me like bohemian vibes or something. Only a few things left. These are little travel guys. We have the Murad Essential C cleanser from their orange line, and this is a face wash, which I know is good stuff. The Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion for very dry to dry combination skin. I have very dry skin. I already know this is good stuff, and I like that it's in a squeezy tube because you never see face moisturizers in a squeezy tube like this. So I like that because this will be perfect for when I travel. We have a bunch of these Lancome pads, water infused cream. Oh, that's fancy. This is tough because I just started a new skincare regimen while getting a bunch of new skincare. I probably should have looked at it all first, then decided which to wear because I really want to try these, but it's okay. You know what? It's okay. We're gonna get to it eventually. Tarte. This is their rose gold clay pot, and I think this is made for it to be an eyeliner. I did dip into this a little bit and kind of play with it. I'll swatch it for you. It's really, really like soft. Like I just stuck my finger in there way too hard. I did not need to do that. It is so pretty though. It's supposed to be an eyeliner, but I would use this more of like as a liquid eyeshadow. The more you pat it, the more the glitter kind of like separates. It is really, really pretty. Really, really. Whoa. Then we have a travel size of the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This is their universal taupe color. How this works is the harder you push, the darker it applies. And I do like this, especially when having clients for makeup. You can kind of like play around with how dark or how light you want to do their brows. And it has the spoolie on the other end, which I always, that's like a must. Like if you sell a brow pencil with no spoolie on the other end, like what are you doing? Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. This is the Algenist Eye Cream. And the last little guy we have in here is a Benefit What's Up travel size, and this is their little highlighter, oldie but a goodie. I don't know why I don't break into this more often. This is more of like a gold highlight, but like, woo! Look at that. That is beautiful. I don't know why I don't dip into that more. You know what? I'm glad I did this because I'm gonna be using this again. I have one in here, like the same thing, and I don't dip into it as much, and I don't know why. I think because cream highlighters, like anything cream, like highlighters or cream bronzers, I don't use as much. I think because it just uses more effort to blend out, and I don't want to do it. I don't know what it is. I'm just not a cream person, but oh, this is beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be dipping back into this for sure. That completes this unbagging of these bomb products that I got. If you wanna see me review any of these specific products, definitely let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.